Keep your cool by having our GMC certified service experts check your air conditioning regularly. Our factory-trained technicians perform a comprehensive inspection to help you get the cooling power you need. They know original equipment, such as AC Delco parts, and will look over refrigerant levels to the condenser and AC filter. If service is required, they can get the job done right. Don't get caught in the heat. If you hear rattling noises, notice low air pressure, or a musty odor coming from your vents, or if the air coming from the vents isn't cool, it may be time for an AC check. Let our GMC experts help keep you comfortable. Experience professional-grade care only at your GMC dealer.